Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about Wi-Fi network saved but not connecting on your Android mobile. So how can I fix this? So guys, when you trying to connecting saved network, so not connecting, so how can I fix this problem? So open setting. Here is scroll down and click on saved networks, and now guys, select the network you are trying to connecting. uh, Simply delete this network from here, and now delete some more networks from you are not using and you are not working. So here is after it. Now again try to connect your Wi-Fi network. I hope your problem will be solved by this method. If not solved, so try to next setting. Open Android setting application and scroll down until to end and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset Wi-Fi setting. It will erase your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and all the network setting. Simply confirm your pattern. Again confirm your pattern, and simply your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth all the network will be reset. I hope your problem will be solved. If last method is simply restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your problem 110% solved by this method. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.